from A to Z. Hi everyone. So I'm just gonna get right to it. I have a question. Just a surprise question. I was listening to the radio and one of the hosts said something that I didn't really get immediately, and then once they continued, I kind of got it, and then they gave a couple examples, and then I kind of really got it. Mm-hmm. But they said this is the year of the Ratchet. So I was like, okay. Initially I was just like, what the hell is a Ratchet? And then they, continued on, and then even more when they said Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, and then I was just like, oh, got it. I really got it now. So can we discuss this?
Sure.
Okay. So what is a Ratchet?
It's kind of ghetto.
Okay.
But I don't like to use that word.
Okay.
But it's more so, a person or a woman that is basically like herself. She doesn't care about, what anybody thinks. It's
okay.
Whatever comes out my mouth, however you perceive me, whatever I dress, whatever I wear, however I talk to you. It's more so, like I'm going to do what I want in the spotlight. And
yeah, I personally really like Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, and it definitely, they both fit into it, like very secure in their position. Good for them.
Very. Yeah, and I think that sometimes the word is used out of context because in all reality, she's her own. They're both their own unique, individuals. They're very unique. They, basically express themselves and who they really are.
Okay.
So I kind of like that. I like, transparency.
Mm-hmm.
I like anyone who wants to be themselves. I hate people who want to jump on a bandwagon or get on a wave. Yeah. So I love when I see somebody who is their individual self. Mm-hmm. I love it. And just to me, they're in their own lane. It's like, I have tunnel vision. This is the journey this is my life journey, and I'm taking it.
And no one's gonna.
Yeah, and nobody's going to stop it. No negativity is going to, prevent me from getting to where I need to be. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to get there being the person that I am. So I actually like it because it's not like they're trying to put on a show for somebody, with them acting like they're somebody they're not.
Yeah. Yes, I agree totally. So I know
if they want to call it Ratchet, that's their own opinion and choice. Yes. But I don't see it that way only because I just feel like they're being themselves.
Yes,
that's, who they really are.
That's exactly the important part. I feel like they are definitely acting like themselves. They're not pretending. Oh, now I'm in a different, financial level, so now I have to.
So now, right.
What would be an example of that?
Maybe.
So give me a scenario, because I feel like I can be very nice and friendly and proper for the situation. And if that situation changes,
then it's turn up time.
Okay. And turn up is I get mad. Okay.
Turn up is like everything goes out the window and I'm just on
go. I'm not being nice anymore.
I'm not being nice. You're going to get what you get. You know what? You probably do turn up sometimes.
Definitely. I know you've heard a few of my calls. So I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be nice. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, turn up.
Wait, what? What did you say? Okay, now I'm not going to be nice anymore. Okay? I was trying to be nice. And now you're pushing my button, so that's pretty much mine. That would be turn up. Would that be Ratchet?
No.
Okay. Not Ratchet for me for a second.
You have to be fucking kidding me!
Okay. What is a Ratchet?
Bargain. Okay.
Shut up! Whatever.
Alright, let's move here.
Okay.
I don't know what Ratchet is. Ratchet is like,
hood.
Hood.
Okay.
It's hood. They use it as